Good morning and welcome to the recap show for yesterday, which was Tuesday the 21st of December. Now, yesterday was my last day's trading, as I mentioned, so I'm going to be taking a break over Christmas, so I'm going to stop these reports and these recaps, but I will be back in the new year. So just wanted to wish you all a very healthy and happy Christmas, and all your families a very healthy and happy Christmas. All the best for 2022, and I look forward to getting back into the swing of things in the new year. So let's look at the action from yesterday. On the FTSE, we said that we had seen a V-shaped recovery, which had seen the bulls wrestle back control. Support came in at 71.86 to 97 and 71.61 to 73, and resistance was at 72.75 to 72.87, and then breaks above there opened up moves to the next resistance zones. So let's go and see how the action played out. Hi, so as you can see, that first resistance at 72.75 to 87 held all day. So we got a rejection off there first thing at the very open, but we never made it down into the support areas below, not even any of the zones that we had, let alone the 71.86 to 97 zone that we had. So nothing really as a way to buy. There was some, this held as resistance, but there wasn't any real great trading opportunities from that zone, just tagging the base of that zone, and no liquidity grabs, no obvious liquidity grabs, no obvious reversals, so nothing really of high probability. We did, just towards the end of the session, get this impulsive breakthrough, pull back, and then a continuation pattern here. There is a continuation pattern there from the zone, so you get an impulsive move through, pull back, and then a continuation pattern to push higher. This move back was a little bit impulsive, so it's not textbook, it's not perfect, but this bar here, a nice impulsive move off the moving averages off the zone, off of the potential resistance turn support area, so potential trade there late in the afternoon. And as you can see, after we got that, we then did push up and move up close and to the 73.22 area that we expected overnight. So that's the FTSE. That 72.75 to 72.87 zone held well in the session, and then we got the break above it in the afternoon session. So now let's go and take a look at the DAX. Okay, so on the DAX, we said that above 15,530 to 550, we could see the DAX move higher towards 690 to 710. But if we broke back below 420 to 450, we could see a small retracement of the previous day's move. And then we spoke about support areas at 300 to 325 and 215 to 240. So let's go and have a look and see how DAX played out yesterday. Okay, so as you can see on the open here, we got this impulsive push through that 420 to 445 zone that we mentioned. So we then said that if we broke below there, then we had support at 300 to 325 and 215 to 240. And as you can see, we just used that 300 to 325 zone as support in the morning. A couple of opportunities. This one here, we was looking for an opportunity here. Textbook liquidity grab. Unfortunately, there wasn't actually a reversal as per our plan here. Now, this is sort of something that you'll experience as traders sometimes, is even when something happens and has all the ingredients or the majority of the ingredients, if it doesn't set up as per your plan, then you shouldn't really be trading it. Now, it's going to lead to frustration at times when you look at a support area and you see it react from there, and it has elements of what you're looking for, like the liquidity grab in this instance. But I can assure you that over time, your plan is your plan, and by keeping the discipline to follow your plan, it benefits you in the long run. So you do experience a frustration sometimes when something like this happens, but I can assure you it's better in the long run, and it's better than feeling the pain of jumping into trades and over trading and taking trades that are out of your plan, generally speaking. We then did get another push down, and we got a second opportunity here, again taking out that lows and then reversing. This one did offer an opportunity on the 5-minute chart. I don't trade the 5-minute chart, again it's not part of my plan, therefore I missed it, but there was actually an opportunity on the 5-minute, which I'll just show you quickly now. Okay, so this signal here is the one that was good to go. If I saw that on a 3-minute chart, I would be taking that all day long, but it's a 5-minute chart, wasn't part of my plan. I don't look at the 5-minute chart. I only noticed it in hindsight as well, so it wasn't something I looked at. So it's just a frustrating moment in the fact that there was something that set up that we could have traded, but unfortunately it just didn't set up as per our plan. So that's just the way it goes sometimes in trading. So now let's go back to the 3-minute chart and finish off and look at what the action was for the rest of the day. Okay, so as you can see, we got this reversal and then we moved up and we did hold that 420 to 445 as resistance. We never got the acceptance above it in the afternoon session until right on the cash close, so nothing's really tradable again in this area. I mean, arguably, there is a reversal pattern here and here. This one doesn't really take out any liquidity or anything like that. It's not necessarily one that I would necessarily have taken, but this one does take out the liquidity. A nice bit of a false break pattern as well. May have got 1-to-1 on that. I'm not too sure. So, but yeah, those are the opportunities. This was a trade of the day down here at the support zone on the 5-minute chart, but unfortunately just didn't set up as per our plan. So guys, that's a wrap for 2022. I'd like to thank, wrap for 2021 going into 2022. I'd like to thank anyone who's watching these videos for the support you've shown me in the first couple of months of Keyzone Traders. Really looking forward and really excited to getting the message out there and gaining some traction in 2022. Hope you're finding these reports useful. All the best for you and your families at Christmas in this difficult times, and all the best for the new year as well. Speak to you soon. Cheers, guys.